I'm Scean Barnswell, Councilor Hayes Division, Minority Leader Declaring Municipal Corporation. I'm supporting Mark Golden because of his involvement in the 3 strategic laws that help to make the parish council now in the constitution as a second tier of government. Mark, while having tremendous work ahead of him, he found the time to sit and go through that bill to ensure that the local authorities cannot just simply be changed by any successive government. And that, for me, has given local authorities autonomous in today's Jamaica's history. The other thing why I'm supporting Comrade Mark Golden is the decriminalization of our youth today. I can recall a youth came by the office when I was mayor of Maypen, and he said to me that he couldn't have gone overseas because he had a spliff that the police found him with, and that has prevented this man from realizing his future. The decriminalization of marijuana has given many youths an opportunity to correct the wrong that they have did without having a criminal record. And for that, Mark Golden is my choice. So on November 7th, go with Golden.